the last 2 years, from July 2023 to June 2025, we recorded 26,641 incidences of human-wildlife conflict. Among them, we earned 255 lives that we lost. If we quantify that in terms of compensation, that is a whole 1.2 billion that the government has to compensate those families. That money can be put into better use if we enhance coexistence. Within the same period, Chief Guest, 725 people were injured, some extremely critical, and that was snatching the breadwinners from very needy families across the country. Within the same period, ladies and gentlemen, 9,300 farms suffered crop destruction, and that undermined food security that His Excellency the President is telling us we must assure our communities have. Within the same period, we had 5,200 incidences of livestock predations. You've seen it here. And that is destabilizing the pastoral livelihoods. And communities reported over 1,000 cases of property damage and nearly 10,000 direct threats. On the other side of the coin, we lost 911 wildlife. There were mortalities that we recorded, and those were arising from conflict, suppressing our numbers. Yet herein lies the paradox. The very wildlife heritage that sustains us is also at the middle of a growing conservation crisis. You've just seen it. The human population has sagged from 8 million at independence in 1963 to 55 million people today. Farms, settlement, and infrastructure now push relentlessly into wildlife vigilance. As a result, the interface between people and wildlife has become increasingly tense.